Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another try on haul. This week we are doing H&M. Oh, I found some super cute pieces. I've been really inspired to, I don't know, spice up my wardrobe since cutting my hair. It's giving me a whole different like vibe and I'm here for it. I feel like it's edgy and fun that I can wear different pieces that I might not typically gravitate towards. I don't know, I'm excited. So, and it's like leading me to try out new lip colors. So yes, okay, let's get into it. I've got 10 pieces that I picked out and I styled them into, I wanna say 16 different outfits. So yes, I'm excited. Lots of green, lots of orange. I feel like green can still be a fall color. I hope so because it's not going anywhere. I'm so excited. All right, so let's start with this first item that I got, which are these Espadrille sneakers. I'm a sneaker girl through and through. Like, I can wear heels, I'll get them, but like, there is nothing better than a pair of sneakers, especially if you're a toddler mom, no matter what. I mean, from the beginning of time, I've just always been comfort over anything. That's just like my number one. And I love that these are just so fun. So these are a taupey nude color. They're a very structured shoe. They're platform, which I love. And they have that espadrille base at the bottom of them. They also have these in blue. I wanted to get the tan ones simply because I thought that they would be nice with blue jeans as an option to wear with blue jeans, which I live in as well. I felt like the blue might be too much, but I love these so much that I'm like, ooh, maybe I need the blue ones. We'll see. But it's kind of a canvasy material, so like the quality is really nice and the bottom is so squishy, like the pad in your foot. They don't have half sizes, so I recommend sizing up. That's what I did. I'm typically like a 6.5, but I went with a 38, which is a 7, and I'm in love with these things. You can wear these with dresses, you can wear them with jeans, like I said, shorts, whatever. I just think they're such a fun, chunky summer shoe. Obsessed with those, and I feel like they're a classic shoe that aren't just popular this year. I feel like you can, because they're a very neutral color, bring them into other seasons as well as to next summer. So definitely love those. Okay, can we see? I love this orangey color. I don't know what it is, but I don't know why I'm saying I don't know what it is. I don't love red on me, but I love this like bright orange and it's coming off. It's bright, I'm not even gonna lie, it's bright. And it's a button down, an orange button down, which are my two favorite things in one. I love this. This is like slightly oversized, but which is why I sized down to an extra small. All my sizes for reference will be linked down below, as well as everything mentioned in this haul. If I purchased it directly from H&M, you'll be able to click the links and also see my size on the side. If I use something else for my wardrobe to style these pieces, which is what I love doing these videos, to see the versatility of the piece, how many times can I style it, do I really need it in my wardrobe type of vibe. I will link something similar, if not the same thing, down below for you guys as well, just to make it easy. Also, just to block it out by outfits, so it's easy for you to recreate these outfits if you already have something similar in your closet. So I'm obsessed with this shirt. I love it paired so many different ways. I think I paired this thing like 3 or 4 different ways. It's perfection. I just think there's nothing better than a button down. Like, I don't think that I will ever film a try on haul or a styling video or anything where I don't have a button down, because when I go out of the house, 9 times out of 10, it's in a button down. I just feel put together, but so comfortable. And I love that you can mix different patterns and colors and different ways you tuck it in versus leave it out. You can create so many different looks. It's so versatile. I love it. It can be a jacket, it can be a shirt. It's everything. You can pair this with heels. I love this, and I'm so excited to add this bright pop of color to my wardrobe. I wouldn't necessarily wear it with this lip because it's a lot, but obsessed, 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 obsessed. Okay, some of my all-time favorite jeans were jeans that I purchased from H&M. I pretty much wear them at least 1 to 2 times a week. Like, if I'm wearing jeans and I don't know which ones I'm wearing, I'm putting on my H&M, I think they're my mom jeans. They killed it with those jeans. Now, these I really like. I don't know if they are as flattering as my mom jean, but they're still super good. So they're like an ankle. They're called the straight high-waisted pants, and I got these in a size 6. I feel like H&M's jeans are kind of all over the place, but I feel like a 6 fits me really well in this. Sometimes I have to go up to an 8. So I really like this. I feel like it is tiny bit baggy and like loose, but I think it works with like the vibe that I was going with these. I didn't want something super tight and form-fitting. They're very comfortable. I love the dark wash. I also really love this like folding detail. Do you see what I mean with the dye down at the bottom? A lot of my Abercrombie jeans have this, and these were like obviously like a third of the price of the Abercrombie jeans. So I really like that. I like that it comes out to a pretty straight leg at the bottom, kind of ankle fit, so you can wear these with sandals, you can wear these with those Espadrille sneakers, regular sneakers, whatever. I thought these were so nice, and I'm happy to have more of like a almost dark but not dark, like a medium wash, but a darker medium wash on the dark side of a medium wash. I don't know, I love the fit of these, and I just keep being surprised more and more by H&M jeans. If you have not checked out H&M jeans, like, telling you, so good, such an affordable price, and yeah, I think the quality is really nice. So excited that I picked these guys up in this color. I think this will be a perfect transition into fall. Okay, these were fun. I had picked up recently in my Walmart haul a pair of black linen pants, and I've been on the hunt for like a lighter pair of linen pants that aren't sheer. These are not linen, which is probably why they're not sheer, but they're kind of like that gaucho, wide leg, cinched at the waist. These are so cute because you can style them so many different ways, and I definitely wanted a lighter weight material. I love that these have pockets. I love that these are not see-through. I like the length on them. They're literally like wearing sweatpants. They're really sheer and thin, but again, not see-through. I think it's because of this khaki color. I feel like these are so versatile that you can wear them on the weekends, but if you go to work in an office, I think that you could pair these with some heels and a basic white button down or a sweater or something like that and make them more business casual. I'm obsessed with these. These are so cute. I liked the fit on these. I got these true to size, and the fact that they have pockets is everything that I need. I love that you can wear these so casual. I don't typically do like baggy top, baggy bottom, but I was inspired to just try it out with like a graphic tee, like more of a grungy sort of look. Grungy. I'm not grungy, but more of an out of the box, like streetwear type of look. One of my friends, Amber, that lives in California, she was my inspiration from this outfit. She always dresses so dang cute. And so I decided to pair baggy pants with a baggy top, and I thought it was fun. Mix some patterns in there. Throw my hair up cool. I loved those, and I think those are a really awesome piece to add to your collection for the spring, summertime. It's not spring, for this summertime. Okay, this is my favorite piece of all time. The only thing I wish I got my true size. I sized down because I was afraid it was gonna be too oversized. It's not that the extra small is too small. I just feel like I can see more of my bra than I would like to, but it's not the end of the world. It is a holy sweater. I mean, let's be real. You're gonna see something unless you wear like a nude tank underneath it, which you totally could. This is the coolest thing. I got two pieces in the same type of fabric. It is a polo top at the top with like a V. It's just everything. This looks so high quality, but it was so affordable. I literally love this thing. I love green. This is probably, besides orange and green are my two favorite colors to style and mix and match in my wardrobe. You can style this a million different ways. Super casual, pair of denim shorts, or you can dress it up with pants, jeans. You could also dress this up with like pair of like trousers. Oh, those Abercrombie trousers I just got would be so cute with this. For more of like a workwear as well. I would definitely wear a cami under it for workwear. I would not go just straight bra, but I love this. I think this is perfection, and if it's still in stock, you need it. And then the same like style of this holy sweater I got in this cardigan. I love cardigans that button all the way up to the neck. I feel like you can create so many different like styles with it. You can leave it completely open, or you can button it up and it'll be a whole top. I love this. I love the big chunky buttons. I love the big sleeves. I just feel something so cozy about a cardigan that buttons up. I don't know, or a sweater that buttoned up. It's called a cardigan, I know, but I feel like cardigans are left like mostly open, and this is not, and I just think it's so versatile. You can obviously wear a long sleeve underneath this when it becomes like fall time, but I'm totally in love with this sort of holy sweater material. I know it's not like the most practical thing in the world, but it's super stylish and really cute, and this cream color will obviously go with everything, so really happy that holy sweater trend is a thing, because I'm feeling it. Okay, I stepped out of my box with this linen dress. I want to say this is 100% linen. No, it's 55% linen and 45% cotton, but linen is notoriously a very, very expensive material. Very finicky, wrinkles a lot, but I'm still always drawn to it. There is nothing like a linen shirt, or specifically dress, I do not own. Oh, wait, I used to own a linen dress. It was like a tank dress. I bought it when I lived in Japan. It was awesome, but this is like sophisticated. This is like wear with some strappy heels on a beach vacation, or like honestly going out to dinner, or you can pair it super casual with those little like espadrille wedges that I showed. So cute. Love this wrap style. It is slightly sheer. With any sort of linen type of material, I feel like if it's white, you're gonna kind of see through it. You could always wear like a slip underneath it. I love the tulip that it does at the bottom. The wrap with the ruching is so flattering, so cute. If you are worried about sheerness, go with a darker color. I want to say they have black, but I just love this crisp white with like a bold lip. Everything. Okay, this dress is way better than I could have thought it would be. I love this sort of halter ruched neck up at the top, this crinkly sort of material. It's great if you're gonna be sitting or anything like that, because it can be all mished up, but it doesn't look it, because that's like the texture of the material. Stripes, super flattering, the fact that it is vertical. Love this sort of bungee around the side. It goes low, but nothing's gonna fall out. It kind of holds everything in and together. Love this. You can wear it casual with a pair of Birkenstocks, or dress it up with a pair of heels. This is stunning. I love the low back and the big ties that hang down. Love this. Throw it on with some gold chunky hoops, and some more bracelets would be really cute for sure. All right, and then the last dress that I got was this dress that I'm wearing currently. It just further instills my love of pilgrim dresses. I don't know what it is. I love them. I love big, baggy, flowy dresses that make me just feel really comfortable and like concealed. I don't know. I do like that this is buttoned. It's like a 3/4 button, so you can kind of button it down and show a little bit more. You can tie a denim jacket around your waist to give your waist a little bit more definition. Pair with sneakers, pair with sandals. You could pair with heels. I don't think that this is like that dressy of a dress to do that. It's more of a casual dress, in my opinion. You also could do a belt around it. I didn't have a belt that I thought worked really well with it, so I skipped the belt, but you could. I love the tier waist, like it has like a flare, a break towards the bottom of the dress. I love the print of it, the collar, the neckline, everything. So cute. I know it's not everyone's cup of tea, but it is totally mine. I love it. And then last but not least, I grabbed this little sweater crop tank thing. I do love the like neckline of these. I keep gravitating towards them. They're more out of my comfort zone. They're not a daily wear for me. So I'm always like, girl, where do you think you're wearing that to? I don't know, but if I do have a place to wear it to, I have something, you know? Anyone else? I like that it's a halter style in the front, but it comes down to straps in the back. I just find that that's more comfortable and flattering for my frame personally. I do like that you can tuck it into jeans and you don't have to see your midriff if you don't want to. Throw a leather jacket on it to feel a little bit more covered up and concealed. I originally tried to style this with a pair of leather pants. Let's just say that was not it for me. Not it. Like, no, 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 no. I would have been attracting a very different kind of attention than I was looking for. So cute, wear it with jeans. Love it. Throw a denim jacket on it and wear it with like Converse or something, and it gives it more of like a casual look instead of like, I don't know. it just made me feel more me in a casual, comfortable sense. So those are all the pieces that I picked up from my recent H&M order. If you guys like seeing these videos, let me know by giving this video a big thumbs up. I also did pick up some more pillowcase or pillow stuffing for my pillowcases. If you guys have not seen my recent home haul where I featured a ton of H&M home pieces, I will link that down below. I found some amazing cute stuff that I'm obsessed with. So check out that haul. It's gonna be linked down below. And I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check the links down below if you're curious to check anything out. I love you guys, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye!